guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Kadeja. Welcome to my channel. So today we are back with another hair tutorial, and today we'll be working with WorldNewHair. This is the packaging that our wig came in. I'm just going to show you guys what I received inside my package today. So we did receive a goodie bag with a whole lot of goodies. This is it. And this is the wig that we'll be working with today. This unit is a 24-inch 13x4 99J curly wig. This is it. The unit came pre-plucked. It had pre-made baby hair, but I pushed them back. This is it. Such a vibrant color. I love this color so much. This is it. If you want to get this wig, the link is in my description, so go ahead and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from WorldNewHair, the website is in my description as well. Go ahead and make your purchase. I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into the install. You guys have seen me install wigs over and over and over again. If you want a detailed tutorial, I will put the link above, so go ahead and click that and check that out. Just going to go ahead and install my unit. This is our lace. I'm just gonna apply some foundation to my lace and then we install our wig. Okay guys, so this is what our wig is looking like. This is it. Just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig.
You remember I asked you to meet in the middle. Now I'm here all alone again. You remember I call you. You were talking in riddles. Now you're lying to me again. You think I'm going crazy, but I'm not missing you. I only miss the illusion you pretended to be. I'm not acting crazy. I just said we're through. Baby, you gave a lot. What about trust? What about all this time you looked in my eyes, babe? What about commitment?
Alright guys, so I just cut the excess lace off and this is the vibes that it's given. I'm definitely gonna keep it super natural. I'm not trying to do anything too crazy. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and glue my wig. Today I'll be using my Got To Be Glue freezing spray to glue my unit. Just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig.
How could I be so stupid when I got all the signs? I guess that is love. Now the red flags are lucid, and I know that I'll be fine. I guess that is self-love. You think I'm going crazy, but I'm not missing you. I only miss the illusion you pretended to be. I'm not acting crazy. I just said we're through. Baby, you gave a lot. What about trust? What about all this time you looked in my eyes, babe? What about commitment? What about all the empty promises? Oh, what about?
Alright guys, so this is it. I just finished gluing my wig and this is what it's looking like. Now I'm just gonna go ahead, tie this down, let it dry, and then we finish up our wig. I definitely will be keeping it super natural, no baby hair. So this is about to be the hairline. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tie this down, let it dry, and then we finish up our wig. But the lace smells super good. As you can see, it smells super good. I'm just gonna go ahead and tie my wig down and let it dry.
Now you're lying to me again. You think I'm going crazy, but I'm not missing you. I only miss the illusion you pretended to be. I'm not acting crazy. guess that is self-love. You think I'm going crazy, but I'm not missing you. I only miss the illusion you pretended to be. I'm not acting crazy, I just said we're through. Baby, you gave a lot. What about trust? What about all this time you looked in my eyes, babe? What about commitment? What about all the empty promises? Oh, what about? You remember I asked you to meet in the middle. Now I'm here all alone again. You remember I call you. You were talking in riddles. Now you're lying to me again. You think I'm going crazy, but I'm not missing you. I only miss the illusion you pretended to be. I'm not acting crazy, I just said we're through. Baby, you gave a lot. What about trust? What about all this time you looked in my eyes, babe? What about commitment? What about all the empty promises? Oh, what about? Oh, what about? How could I be so stupid when I got all the signs? I guess that is love. Now the red flags are lucid, and I know that I'll be fine. I guess that is self-love. You think I'm going crazy, but I'm not missing you. I only miss the illusion you pretended to be. I'm not acting crazy, I just said we're through. Baby, you gave a lot. What about trust? What about all this time you looked in my eyes, babe? What about commitment? What about all the empty promises? Oh, what about? Oh, what about?
Alright guys, so this is the finished look. It's given super cute, super natural. This color is just vibrant and I love how cute this turned out. This is it. I love the curls. They're not too deep and they're not too loose. They're just perfect. This is it. Overall, this wig was pretty easy to handle. The lace smells great. The color is just pretty and perfect and I just love it. This is it. You can see the quality in the hair. This is it. The lace smells super good and I just love this wig. Again, this wig is from WorldNewHair. This is their 24-inch 13x4 99J curly wig and this is it. This is it. I love how this turned out. It's giving cute, it's giving colors, it's giving laid, and I just love it. If you want to get this wig, the link is in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from WorldNewHair, the website is in my description as well. Go ahead and make your purchase. This is the finished look. This is it. This is it. Super soft, super soft, super lightweight. I just love it. This is where I leave you guys for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in another video.
Just said